everyone. We're looking at laws of indices. Laws of indices are the heart of mathematics. So today we're going to take a look at law number 1, the product of powers, whereby if we have a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Here, if you see a multiplication sign, it means we have to add the powers. Okay, let's look at the examples. We have got example number 1 says a to the power 3 times a to the power 2. So what we do, we look at the bases. We've got a here and we've got another a there. So it means you just copy one a. Since we've got a multiplication sign, what we're going to do, we add the powers. So I'm going to place a 3 plus a 2 there. So we know that 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the next thing, we place that a to the power 5. This is our final answer. Okay, let's look at example number 2. We've got 2 to the power p times 2 to the power q. Still, it's the same. Since we've got 2 here, we've got another 2 there, which means we just have to copy the same base. So we're going to place our 2 there, like we did in our example 1. So next thing, we know that there is a multiplication, so we have to add the powers. So we're going to place p plus q there. So our final answer becomes 2 to the power p plus q, since we can't add these two. Are we together? So we're going to look at example number 3, which is more complex than those one that we did above. Alright, but still we have the same what? Basis. We say that if we have the same basis, just copy one base, right? 3 there. And there's what? Addition sign. So if there's addition sign, we say that we're going to add the powers. So we're going to put 2x plus 4 plus, we open our bracket, we copy this power, minus 2x minus 3 there. Are we together? So we're going to put that 3 again, 2x plus 4. Since we have got a positive, so positive and a negative, we get what? A negative. So it's a negative 2x. Positive and a negative are going to get a negative, that's negative 3. Then we collect the like terms. It's 3 there. Then you say 2x minus 2x plus 4 minus 3. Are we together? 2x minus 2x is a 0. 4 minus 3 is a 1. So it's 3 to the power 1, which is equals to 3. This is our final answer. Are we together, guys? Alright. We've got another example, which is example number 4. Example number 4 says solve for x. But as you can see, we still have the same base here, but here now the base is different. Are we together? So we're going to see what trick are we going to do there. Alright, let's copy one base here, 3. Then we have what? Multiplication, which we say that we have to add the powers. So it's 2x plus x is equals to 9. Are we together? So 2x plus x is equals to 3x. So we're going to say 3 to the power 3x is equals to 9. So since we've got a 3 here and we've got a 9 there, but we want these bases to be the same. Here we've got a 3 and a 9, so we're going to change this one so that we can also have a 3 like the left hand side. So we're going to say 3 to the power 3x is equals to 3 to the power 2. Because if you say 3 to the power 2 is equals to 9. Now together. So since we've got a 3 here and we've got a 3 there, which means these 3 they cancel each other. Cancel there, cancel there. Then we're left with what? 3x is equals to 2. So since they say solve for x, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. 3 there, 3 there. Then this one goes. Then we're left with x is equals to 2 over 3. That is our final answer. Thank you very much for this lesson. We're going to catch up tomorrow for another law, which is law number 2.